Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and connections. This is where most fixes begin. Turn the device off, unplug it, and hold power for 10 seconds to discharge residual charge. Once done, reconnect securely and inspect cables and connectors for bends or debris. Loose pins cause lines. Next, attach an external monitor or HDMI cable to check whether the problem is the screen or the graphics board. Doing this saves time and tells you whether to proceed with the panel or motherboard steps. You now dive deeper. Open the device with an anti-static strap and keep screws organized. Carefully disconnect and reseat ribbon and LVDS or EDP display cables. Corrosion or poor contact often causes lines. If lines persist, swap the cable with a known good one if available, because cables fail more than panels. Also boot into safe mode and install a clean GPU driver to rule out software. Once those steps are complete, you'll know if the screen hardware or graphics subsystem is responsible. You finish by replacing the faulty component. If the cable swap fixed it, install a new ribbon cable. If not, replace the panel or T-con board with exact model matches. Test the replacement before reassembling fully. Power on to confirm lines are gone. Make sure connectors are clean, secured, and use non-conductive tape where needed, and tighten screws to proper torque. If lines persist after these final steps, consult a professional. There may be hidden motherboard damage or micro-soldering required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.